In this video, I will show you how you can inform your team on Telegram about every new Calendly invitees automatically. So here, firstly, I'm going to integrate Calendly and Telegram application in such a way that whenever any new invitee booked an event which you have scheduled into the Calendly, the same invitee details will be shared automatically with your team on Telegram. In this way, you do not have to manually share the invitee details with your team on Telegram because every single invitee details will be synced with the Telegram automatically. Do you also want to create this automation for yourself? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my Calendly application and this is Telegram application, and in order to send all the invitee details on Telegram, I'll have to first build a connection in these application, which I am going to do with the Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I'm an existing user, so here you can notice I'm already logged in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided, basically I have pasted the name as when new invitee is created in Calendly, then send invitee details on Telegram. Okay, now I am going to click on this blue button that is create, and then you will notice two boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. And here, according to our use case, whenever any new invitee is created into the Calendly application, then automatically share the invitee details on Telegram application. Okay, so this is how you will have to select both the application in this trigger and the action window. Okay, and once you have selected both the application, now the idea here is I am going to connect these two applications with the Pabbly Connect one by one. Okay, so firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new invitee. Basically invitee is created. Okay, so basically I want whenever a new invitee is created into the Calendly, this automation should trigger. Now I'm going to click on this connect button, then clicking on add new connection, clicking on connect with the Calendly, and since I am already logged in into my Calendly application, the authorization will be successful immediately, and my Calendly application will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. And here you can notice, since we are connected, it has automatically fetched the organization from the Calendly and the user also from the Calendly. Okay, and now I am going to click on the save and send test request button in front of you, and you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. Okay, and here the response means a new invitee creation details. Okay, so basically I am going to create a new invitee into the Calendly. Here you can notice it has started waiting for the response. Okay, so this is my Calendly application where I have created an event with the name astrology consultation online. Okay, firstly I am going to open the booking page of this event, and now as a dummy user, as a dummy invitee, I am going to schedule an event. Basically I am going to book an event. Okay, so how about I book an event for this 28th of June, and the timing is going to be 10 a.m. Clicking on next test. Okay, I'm sorry, clicking on next, and here exactly I am going to provide the dummy details of the invitee. Okay, so here I am providing the name as dummy user, demo user, and then the email address as demo@pabblytudes.com, and lastly I am going to provide a dummy phone number, something like this. Okay, so I have provided the basic details of the invitee. Now clicking on the schedule button, and as soon as I am going to schedule the event into the Calendly, you will notice that the response will be received here, and in that response you will notice all the invitee details which we have provided at the time of booking. Okay, at the time of booking. Okay, let us wait for the response. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. I can close this landing page also for now, fingers crossed. And here you can notice the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the same email address, here we have the same name of the person. Let me also show you the phone number. Let me also show you the event name, that is astrology consultation. Here we also have the timing, the start timing of the event, but you will notice a difference in the timing. Okay, so I have selected the timing as 10 a.m. but here exactly it has captured the timing as 4:30 because this timing has got captured into the UTC format. Okay, so let me show you the difference. Basically there is a difference of 5:30 hours. Okay, so if I will count the hours, basically the difference in between hours. Okay, so we have scheduled the timing, we have scheduled the event for the time of 10 a.m. and here we have the 4:30 a.m. Okay, so 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30 and then 10. Okay, so this is how you can calculate the difference of 5:30. Okay, now I will also show you the end timing of this event. How about I directly search for this end timing. Okay, where is that? Alright, here you can notice we have that end timing as well, that is 5. Okay, so again we have the difference of 5:30 hours, that is 10:30 and here we have 5:30. This is the exact difference. Okay, so this is not a problem that we have received the timing into the different time zone, basically into the UTC time zone, because with the Pabbly Connect we can easily do such type of conversations. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Calendly and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. And moving further, now I am going to send these details on Telegram, but before that let me first convert the date and timing, because of course when I will share the details of the invitee, I am also going to share the event start and end time. Okay, and I cannot directly share the same timing which I have received into the Pabbly Connect. I want to send the real timing, the actual timing, that too into the simpler format. Okay, so how you can do that? You will have to click on this plus icon and simply search for the date and time formatter feature. Okay, this is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can perform various kind of operations within your date and time. Okay, so currently I am going to select this format date with the time zone, and now I will be clicking on this connect button and it will be connected immediately. Now I just need to provide the date which I would like to format and simply the from format and the to format. Okay, so the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy the start date. Okay, so where is the start date? Let us once again search. So I don't need to manually copy this start date and paste it here because I am going to map this date. Okay, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, so let me search for the start date. Okay, where is the start time? All right, so here we have the event start timing as 28th of June and we have the timing as 4:30, asking for the from format. Okay, so currently I have the format as YYYY MMDD and then T, and then here you can see we have hours, minutes and seconds, and we have the TNZ format. Okay, I think the same format is selected already. Okay, that is YYYY MMDD THH MMSS and Z also. Okay, now it is asking for the to format, so I would like to receive the same timing into a simpler way. Okay, so how about I go with this DDMMYYHH or I think this is going to be even better, that is YYMMDDHH Okay, so I have selected the same, and the most important thing is the time zone. Okay, so firstly you will have to select the UTC because we are actually making this conversion from UTC to local time zone, that is Asia and Kolkata. Okay, since I am from India, so that is why I am selecting the same timing, that is Asia and Kolkata. And now I am going to click on this button and you will notice that the date and time will be converted automatically, and in the response you will receive the same timing, that is 10 a.m. 28th of June. Let me show you the same. Here you can notice we have the same date and time. Okay, so this is how you can also also convert your end event time, but the interesting thing is I don't need to do everything from scratch because we have the option of pasting this same step. Okay, when you will click on this three dot, you will notice the option of copy. After copying this, again click on this three dot and then click on paste step, and this is how the same step will be cloned, will be pasted here also. Okay, in order to avoid any kind of confusion, firstly I will make sure that I rename both the steps carefully. Okay, so here start time conversion. Okay, and let me click on this update. I have also copied the same name. Let me click on this rename once again, paste the same, and instead of start, here I will update as end time conversion. Here you can notice both the steps have been updated, have been renamed successfully. And when I will open this end time conversion step of date and time conversion, okay, I'll have to wait for this. Alright, so the reloading is done. When I will open this, you will notice that all the details are selected already. I just need to make few changes. Okay, so here instead of providing the start timing, firstly I am going to replace it with the end event time. Okay, so where is that timing? Alright, event end time I have mapped. From format is going to be the same, to format is also going to be the same. In fact, the time zones are also going to be the same. So I am directly clicking on this button and I am really expecting again the same timing, that is this 10:30 am. Okay, so here you can notice we have received the same timing and the same date. Okay, so this is how you can perform various kind of operations with the help of the date and time formatter feature of Pabbly Connect. And now I can easily share the invitee details along with their event timings. Okay, so clicking on action event, clicking on this send a text or a reply, and just like I have connected Pabbly Connect and Calendly, now I am going to connect this Telegram and Pabbly Connect. And for the connection, it is asking for the token. Okay, so how you can get this token? Firstly, you will have to log in into the Telegram web application. Here you can notice I am already logged in. Then you will have to search for the Telegram bot father. Okay, so either you can directly visit the bot father from this particular link, or you can also search for the bot father from this search bar. Okay, so this is the bot father, this is also the bot father. Let me click on this open in web and you will be redirected at the same place. Here you can notice. Now what is next? It is asking to create a new bot, for which I will have to type this /new bot. Okay, so I have copied this text. Let me paste and then enter. Okay, I think I have copied lot of things. Okay, so I'll have to delete everything, coming back here, and let me copy this /new bot only. Alright, I have done that. Coming back to bot father, let me again paste the same, clicking on enter, and now it is saying that alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Okay, so I am going to choose a funny name because sometimes this Telegram really takes lot of attempts for creating a new bot. Okay, so how about I provide the name something like Bingo 21. Okay, pressing enter, and here you can notice that is saying good. Now let's choose a username for your bot, and in this username make sure that username should be added with this underscore bot. Okay, so I am going to copy the same name, the exact name, and here at the end I will add this underscore bot, clicking on enter, and this time I am really expecting that it will create a bot, and yes, it is done. Congratulations on your new bot. And in this text you can find your token, which I have copied. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, let me paste the same here, clicking on save, and this is how my Telegram application will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. And once the Telegram is connected with the Pabbly Connect, you cannot provide the details because we will have to do one more very important things. Okay, so whatever the bot we have created just now with the name Bingo 21 bot, make sure that in whatever the group you are about to send the messages, you are about to send the invitee details, you will have to add this particular bot in that group, and then you will also have to change the permission of this bot as an admin. Alright, so let me first to show you in which particular group I am going to send the details. Okay, so I have the group name as Pabbly YouTube video team. Firstly, I am going to click on this 11 members, clicking on this user profile section. Let me search for my bot. Okay, this is the bot I have selected, clicking on this arrow, and this is how this bot will be the member of my group, that is Pabbly YouTube video team. And not just that, I will also have to promote the same bot as an admin of this group. Okay, and that is only possible with the mobile application of Telegram. Yes, you cannot do that with the Telegram web application. Okay, so I will open the Telegram account into my mobile, and then I am going to change the permission of this bot, and then I will come back. Okay, so wait for few more seconds. Alright, so I have done this step. Let me first refresh my Telegram web, and then I will show you that this Bingo21, this particular bot is promoted as the, okay, something went wrong. I'll have to check what is wrong with this. Here you can notice firstly that earlier we had 11 members, now we have 12 members. Let us check the permission, and here you can notice this Bingo21, this particular bot has been promoted, and right now he is actually the admin of this group. Okay, now I can easily send the messages with the help of this bot. Okay, so coming back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, let us click on Pabbly Connect once again, and firstly it is asking that provide the chat ID in which you would like to send the messages. Okay, so this is my Telegram web application, and this is my group in which I would like to send the message, and from the URL you can copy the chat ID. Okay, let me paste the same, and make sure that you also read this particular documentation. And if I will show you this documentation and take you at the bottom of this documentation, you will notice that it has clearly mentioned that you will also have to use this prefix, that is this 100 along with your chat ID, and in this way you will be able to send the messages into the Telegram group. Okay, so let me come back to Pabbly Connect, and before this ID and after this hyphen I am going to add this 100 prefix. Okay, so I have done that. Now finally it is asking that what text you would like to send. Okay, so here I am going to write hello team, and here whatever the details I am going to write manually, these details are going to be same. Okay, so hello team, a new invitee has just got created for our event, and here I want that my event name should be appear that too automatically. Okay, so instead of providing the event name manually, again I am going to map the event name, and remember we have already received the event name into our Calendly's response. Okay, so let me search for that event name, which was astrology consultation online. Okay, so I have mapped it successfully. A new invitee has just got created for our event. Okay, and I have provided the name. Here are the details of the invitee, colon, and finally I am going to share all the invitee details. But before that, let me also correct the spelling, and firstly I want that the name should be shared. Okay, so in front of this name I am going to provide the name of the person, which was demo user, pressing enter, and here I am going to provide the email address of the invitee. Let me search with the help of @. Alright, so I have mapped the email address also, again pressing enter, and I want that the phone number of the person should be shared. So just in case if my team wants to connect with this particular person, they can directly do that from this Telegram application itself. Okay, so let me add this phone number also, phone number colon, and again I will be searching for the phone number of the person, which was a dummy phone number. Okay, so where is the phone number? I'll have to check. Do I even have that phone number or not? And yes, we have that phone number, which again I have mapped. Lastly, I am going to add the start date and time of event. okay, colon, and here I am going to provide the start event details not from this Calendly data but from this date and time step. Okay, so let me open that and let me map the timing, and this time I am going to directly copy this text and pasting it here, and instead of start here I will write it as end date and timing, and finally I am going to map this end date. Alright, so I think I have provided all the required details. So in front of you I am going to click on this button directly, and then I am really expecting that the same message will be sent automatically on my Telegram group. Okay, so the name of my group is Pabbly YouTube Video Team. Here you can notice that we do not have any invitee details. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, clicking on this button save and send test request and waiting for the response to be received. Alright, fingers crossed. And here you can notice the response is received, so I am really expecting that the message has been sent automatically and already. And here you can notice into my Telegram group the same messages arrived, that is, hello team, a new invitee has just got created for our event astrology consultation online. Here are the details of the event, here are the details of the invitee. Okay, and the name of the person, the same email address, the same phone number, the same start date and time of the event, and the end date and time of the event. Okay, so this is how now onwards you can share your Calendly invitee details with your team on Telegram, and not just on the Telegram. Just in case if you want to share these details in Google Sheets or in Airtable or into the Slack application, you can also do the same by simply selecting a different application in place of this action step. Okay, so this is how you can entirely automate this process with the help of Pabbly Connect. And once this automation is created inside Pabbly Connect, after that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this 4-step automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. Okay, so you just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.